If your Dell screen appears dark or is not powering on, first we'll want to confirm that it is turned on. Find the power button on the bottom right of your screen. Give it a press. When the light turns on, your screen should power on. If you press the button and the screen doesn't power on, confirm the screen is connected to an outlet with power. Next, locate your computer. It's a little black box like this, typically behind the screen. Look for the power button, press it once. The blue light indicates your computer has power. If pressing the power button doesn't turn your computer on, confirm your computer is connected to an outlet with power. And if you're still having issues after these steps, please contact support.